Hello student, today we will teach you in maths matrices and your subtopic is multiplication of matrices. In last class we have learned about addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices. Multiplication of matrices is determined if columns in matrix A is equal to rows in matrix B. Okay, if there are two matrices A and B, then AB exists if column in A is equal to rows in B. Inversely, we can say BA exists if column in B is equal to rows in A. Okay. Now properties of multiplication of matrices. Properties of multiplication of matrices. First property, multiplication of matrices does not obey commutative law. Multiplication of matrices does not obey commutative law. Does not obey commutative law. This means AB is not equal to BA. In exceptional case, AB is equal to BA, but in general, AB is not equal to BA. Second, multiplication of matrices obey associative law. Associative law means AB multiplied by C is equal to A multiplied by BC. And third important property, multiplication of matrices obey multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. That is A multiplied B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Okay. Now from these properties we can solve exercise. In exercise your questions are first question is if A is equal to 2 3 minus 1 and 0 1 2 and matrix B is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4 0, then find AB and BA if exist. Here two matrices A and B are given and you have to find AB and BA if exist. So in solution, first of all write down given is that matrix A is equal to 2 3 minus 1 0 1 2 and matrix B is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4 0. Here number of columns in A, that is 1 2 and 3, and number of rows in B 1 and 2 is not equal to number of rows in B. So by the properties of multiplication, AB does not exist. AB does not exist, right? Now for BA, here number of column in B is equal to 2 and number of rows in is equal to 2. So and number of columns in B is equal to number of rows in A. Number of column in B 2, number of rows in A 2. So BA exists. Okay. Now how can you determine BA? The process of find BA. First write down B 2 minus 6 minus 4 0 and side 2 3 minus 1 0 1 2. The process is here you have to take a row and here column 2 into 2. The a symbol is this and this. Here from left to right and here from up to down. 2 into 2 plus minus 6 into 0. Then again from first row 2 into 3 plus minus 6 into 1. Again 2 into minus 1 plus minus 6 into 0. Minus 6 into 2, sorry. Similarly from second row minus 4 into 2 0 into 0. Minus 4 into 2 0 into 0. Minus 4 into 3 0 into 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2. So from here you will get 4 minus 6, 4 minus 0, 6 minus 6, minus 2, minus 12, minus 8, minus 12, minus plus 4. At last this becomes 4, 0, minus 14, minus 8, minus 12, plus 4. So BA is a matrix of 2 cross 3. Okay.